Caddo Mills, Cessna 20 Mike Victor, left downwind 31, Caddo Mills.
Caddo Mills traffic. The traffic on downwind 31, do you see me on the base? I have the traffic. Caddo Mills traffic in on turning base, runaway 36 Caddo Mills.
Traffic 261, Ulysses on left base for runway 350 traffic.
Caddo Mills traffic turning final, turning final runway 36 Caddo Mills.
Doing traffic, Skyhawk 35387 is 10 miles to the south inbound for landing runway 35 Durant.
Mills traffic, Cessna 20 Mike Victor, turning base runway 31, Caddo Mills traffic.
Skyhawk 53 Alpha Foxtrot 11 miles to the north, inbound for full stop. Turtle.
Caddo Mills traffic, Cessna 20 Mike Victor turning final, runway 31, Caddo Mills.
Caddo Mills traffic, 89 Lima is going to back taxi to 36, 2 spacing, Caddo Mills. Caddo Mills traffic, taking off runway 36, will be left field traffic, Caddo Mills.
Traffic, Cessna 20 Mike Victor, 3 joining downwind for 36, Caddo Mills. Cessna 20 Mike Victor on left downwind for 36, Caddo Mills.
Caddo Mills traffic, 89 Lima is on the upwind for 36, and I have the traffic downwind.
Victor.
7 is 6.5 miles to the west, inbound for the 45, runway 35 direct.